It was at this moment that Jonathan knew he fucked up.
Oh God, Simba.
It's so
She's
bad.
ripping me.
It's so bad.
No, no, no. Dude, it's not like a smoker.
That's a sin. No.
Surprise, shawty!
Go for a run? You wanna go for a run? Wait. Wait. I heard you. Wait. Okay, go! Good girl. Come on, baby. Make sure you look both ways, Scout. Good girl. Go. Scout. Good. All right, Scout, go home.
This is a bunno, also called a bun and occasionally called a wabbit. But what's most important is to understand bunno anatomy. We start with the floppity loppities. Some bunnos have very droppy floppity loppities. Others have not so floppity loppities. Then there's the blinkers and the boople snoot, which is also called the wiggle sniffer.
Shining through to make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you sometime, and I want to spend some time with you, just the two of us. We can make it if we try.
A really long time since I went out, so can you help me pick an outfit? Okay, so there's these. Is it too much? What about these? Is this too much? This kind of feels like a lot. Is it too much? Now I know this is a little risky. But is it?
That's how you do it, shit. You're not dead. Get in the cage. Bro, I see you looking, bro.
Press. Cardi don't need more press. Kill them all, put them hoes to rest.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my God!
Wrap me in plastic and make me shine. We can make a
So I called for bath time, and then this guy just coincidentally fell asleep. I know he's faking it because his tail is moving. So I'm going to wake him up. Wake up. I know you're faking it. Wake up. It's time for bath. Let's go. Chase, you're not going to hit me. Let's go. Come on. No. Let's go. Come on.
My husband got a pet duck.
About rolling down in the deep when your brain goes numb, you can call that